To create an Xfinity account, start by going to the Xfinity website and clicking on the Create Account button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use a valid email address as you will need it to verify your account. Next, you will be prompted to create a username and password for your account. Choose a username that is easy for you to remember and a password that is strong and secure. It is recommended to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make your password more secure. After creating your username and password, you will be asked to provide some additional information such as your address and account details. If you are a new customer, you will need to provide your account number or order number to complete the setup process. If you are an existing customer, you can use your account number or phone number associated with your account to verify your identity. Once you have provided all the necessary information, review the terms and conditions of the Xfinity account and click on the Create Account button to complete the setup process. You will then receive a verification email to confirm your email address. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. It is also recommended to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password when logging into your account. Finally, you can now log into your Xfinity account using your username and password to manage your services, pay your bills, and access other features and benefits. Make sure to keep your account information up to date and secure to ensure a smooth and convenient experience with Xfinity.